Welcome back to my moves. I'm back again with another haul video, guys. I know how much you guys loved my last haul video, so I thought I should come up with another haul video but little differently. This time I'm going to make it as a lookbook, or you can say a try on haul. In my last video I went on showing what I got, but in this video I'm going to try everything what I bought, as well as I'm going to create a lookbook with all those new things combining with the older ones. In this video you are going to get a little idea about how to style your different kinds of outfits in different ways. I'm so glad that you loved my last video and you guys showered me with all positive comments and lots of positivity, and that made me so confident and also so energetic this time. Before going into the video, I just wanted to tell you guys I have an Instagram account also. Please do follow me in Instagram because I'm so active, damn active over there, and you can search me as Sushma Gandhi Sula. And also I have Facebook, that is also Sushma Gandhi Sula, and I'll be so happy if you follow me in those two social platforms. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. In this look, I'm pairing my new turtleneck bodycon knee-length single piece dress with this old denim which I bought from hoops.com, and this look is particularly my in-law favorite one because it is so classy and neat. And this is a bodycon dress and body hocking also, I believe, and yeah, it's perfect. And the single piece dresses especially are so versatile that you can style them in many different ways. And look at those boots, guys, and I love this back detailing also. And these boots are from H&M. I bought them yesterday, and these boots are so damn stylish, and those are apt for that bodycon dress. In this look, I'm wearing this JD Chunk pants along with this knit pullover. These two are from Only, and this knit pullover is especially so comfortable, guys, and that star detailing is going on the chest, and these two made like for each other, I believe. And see, I didn't cut off the price tag also. That crazy I am. Yesterday only I bought it, and I just love the slits on both sides, which makes it so comfortable to wear, and those threads to tie up and elastic and all is so fine. And for this I am wearing these H&M shoes again, which I've shown in one of my hauls, which are so peachy peach and perfect for this outfit. For this look, I'm wearing this oversized sweatshirt from H&M, and I am absolutely feeling so comfortable with this oversized one. This would be my first oversized one, and it is like olive green and round neck, and it is so perfect with those jeggings what I bought from UCB. And yeah, what else you need for these winters? I have paired this top with this beautiful charcoal tone jegging which is from UCB, and in order to add much more color to this sober outfit, I just added these beautiful mustard color to this. Along with those, I'll just show you a few things that I cannot try now. Long shawl. Yeah, this is black and white checkered shawl with these tassels also over here. Bought this for my mother-in-law. She loved it to bits, I say, because ఈ మధ్య హైదరాబాద్లో కూల్గా ఉండింది కాబట్టి షీ యూస్ దిస్ షాల్ సో మచ్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సో ప్రొటెక్టివ్ ఫ్రమ్ cold. So I just love this so much and I thought I should style this in this way. Yeah. And the quality is so good as usual. You can find in H&M. The price, if you want to know the prices, do let me know. Do comment it in the comment bar. I'll definitely reply you back. Up next is this legging. This legging is again from H&M. This is a basic leggings. Yeah. Up next is this top from Only. This is also my mother-in-law's. This front zipper, which is so convenient to wear, and she loved this too so much because of the cloth and all. It is so damn comfortable on her. She felt so good on wearing this. So these three are the things. I have one more, I think. I bought this for my baby. I bought this for Lippy. I think there is a leopard or cat on this. It's a hoodie for her. Along with those, I bought these prettiest boots. These are also from H&M. Yeah. So that's about this video, guys. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like the video. If you are not subscribed, please do subscribe my channel. That means a lot, really, guys. So please do subscribe my channel. And one more thing I just wanted to ask you, if you have any questions or if you have any video requests, or I cannot say request, if you want me to do any sort of video, do let me know, guys. I'll definitely try to make that video for you all. So if you have anything to tell me, please do write in the comments. I'll love to read your comments. I'll definitely write you back. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.